Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be going over how difficult it may be to keep your vehicle, let's say, looking new as possible, and what all goes into it. So stay tuned to see how the video turns out. Hey, make sure y'all stay tuned for tomorrow's video. It's going to be on what's in this box right here. That will be the first maintenance on the Ford Crown Victoria that I have. So for starters, everyone who's watching the channel, of course, you know that when I try to present a video to you guys, I try to make sure that the vehicle is mostly clean. I don't like to present a dirty vehicle, so therefore it does require a lot of cleaning and just a lot of upkeep of the vehicle to keep it presentable for the channel. Now, with that being said, of course, the wheels, I try to keep the wheels, with a nice clean shine. And with keeping your vehicle clean, over time, if you keep them shining, most of the time, you don't have to put in a lot of work to keep the wheels, with a nice gloss or at least a nice dark, presentable color to them. So usually I just have to buff over them with the brush. And I do scrub the rim itself with the brush. Really doesn't harm it on my end. And that way, once you rinse it off, you can put the shine on there, and there you go. Like I said, if you keep it shining, most of the time you don't have to apply a lot of tire shine. But if you don't, the tire shine will fade away within a day or so, and then you'll be right back with the tires looking dull again. As you see here, I skipped the washing part of the vehicle. You have seen that before. But if you notice how the paint has a nice gloss to it, and that's what I look forward to when I do clean the car and when I present the car on video. I like to keep it with a nice gloss. So most of the time I do have to wash the car. Usually if you wash once a week, that's good. Most people don't do that, but I at least try to at least get it in once a week to wash. If not, I would sometimes do it twice a week. So most of the time if I'm filming, I usually have to clean the car twice a week. That's just to keep it presentable. That does include, as you see, this car has no tint, and that does include making sure that the windows are clean. I usually use a Windex or window cleaner of some sort. Definitely on the front bumper here, you really have to try to keep bugs off, because if you let them pile up, it's going to be very difficult. You're going to do many washes. Also, with keeping the vehicle clean, like I said, you don't have to scrub it as much, but if you let it get behind, you will be doing a lot of scrubbing. Sometimes this vehicle has to sit under a tree, and things fall off the tree on top of the car, so that makes it more difficult to keep it clean. But I get it done and try not to complain about it. Leave down in the comment section below, if you're one of those people who keeps the vehicle clean, or if you just, hey, maybe, it's certain wash days for the vehicle, and if, that's where it starts and ends. But other than that, I want to thank everyone for watching the channel, and make sure you subscribe, because the analytics say most people who watch are not subscribers. But I do thank all my subscribers who are watching. But other than that, I hope everyone enjoyed the content